This is wild. Look at all the filters. And they are all over the place. These paint booths are crazy, man.
Alright guys, I am back at PJ Trailers today to show you guys the finished process that happens after it goes through paint. Tim didn't get to make it out today, but I'm going to show you guys what's left here.
Alright Tim, check it out, man. We're here in the finish line right now. Stickers have been put on. You got your lights. They're getting ready to do some of the hydraulic work. Flooring is coming right up. And they're about to stick the axles underneath it too. A lot of cool things coming up.
Alright, so one of the first things that happens when it rolls out of the paint booth is the wiring and sticker process. There's a team of about 6 to 8 guys that they had on this and knocked it out insanely fast. It was really impressive to see. It was obvious that everybody was definitely very clear about what they were doing. While the guys were running the wire, there's another team that was installing the lights, crimping the wires, getting the grommets put in. There's a team of people that were greasing the hinges everywhere that was needed. Here we've got the people putting in the stickers, the mud flaps. This all happened so quick. It was awesome. Adding the final stickers, the coupler goes in, and at this point it has all the wiring there and all the lights are installed. Toolbox latches get installed at this part of the process, and then they also get all the wiring set up with the front 7-way junction box as well. At this point the wire process is done and it moves down the line a little ways to the axle section. This part was really cool to see. There's so much involved in an air ride system. It's pretty crazy. It took them literal hours to install everything. The axle beams themselves was the easy part of it here. At this point they have it ready to lower it down from the track system. It's officially on the ground for good. Fast forward a little bit and you see the finished system. Here's the pump inside the toolbox. Bags are now inflated. You've got the tank right there in the middle. And here is a complete air ride system from underneath. It finally gets to roll to the next area instead of being suspended. It's ready for the hydraulics portion now. First part in this process are the 5-inch cylinders that operate the hydraulic dovetail. Once they have these installed and secured, they're able to put some fluid in it and take it off of the bracket that's holding the tail up right now. Here's the hydraulic kit getting put inside the toolbox, and they run the lines. The next hydraulic system in this setup are the hydraulic monster jacks. This also took teamwork. There's always 2 guys working on a project, making sure to get it done quickly, efficiently. Every separate station was very organized. They had their parts ready to go, hoses in line, everything had its own system. With the jacks installed, fluid in the lines, they were finally able to pick it up off the ground.
Alright Tim, we got you almost taken care of here. We've got the airbags installed. All of the hydraulics are installed now. Hydraulic tail goes up and down. Your hydraulic jacks go up and down. All of your lights work. The brake actuator has not yet been installed, but brake test is coming up next. You can see here, there's part of the hydraulics there for your hydraulic jacks. We just did a QC check on all the rest of the things here. We've already got your safety chains installed, wire harnesses there, couplers installed. Really, it's just about time for the brakes and the flooring. So we're getting really close, man.
Here we are in the flooring bay. This is one of the final stops that the trailer makes before it gets marked complete.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. We just about got everything finished up with the trailer. I don't get to show you the final finished product until it hits our shop over at Happy Trailers, but that's going to happen very soon now. They're just buttoning everything up anyway. So once again, I really appreciate everybody that helped us out here at PJ Trailers to give us the complete start to finish behind the scenes look at how a trailer is built. It's been so much fun. I appreciate Tim and Mila coming out to join in the process as well. And I can't wait to see this trailer hit the ground, get hooked up. Hit us up in the comments. Let me know what you think of the build. And again, I really appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Make sure you remember to subscribe, and we've got a lot more fun things on the way. We'll see you on the next one.